Five Fingers Exports India Pvt Ltd is one of the India's largest manufacturer of paper straw machinery based in Coimbatore. With more than 56,000 square foot production facility and a team of over 70 experienced engineers, we bring more than 5 years of expertise in the paper straw machinery industry. Five Fingers Exports covers all aspects of paper straw production, offering a complete range of machinery under one roof, including paper roll slitting and rewinding machines, straight paper straw making machines, straw bending machines, U-shape packing machines with bevel cuts, and carton box packing machines. In addition to paper straws, we've also established ourselves as a manufacturer of PLA straw machines. Five Fingers Exports offers an in-house store facility for spare parts, and it is ready to reach you with just a call. We provide live demonstrations of our machinery, and you are welcome to visit our factory to see our machines in action.